If it feels like we're at an inflection point in this bull market, well, you're not alone. Until now, the bulls and bears have been more or less equally matched. The market would go up on good news, then it would go down for no reason, and Peter Schiff would remind everyone that Bitcoin is no good and we should just all buy gold. It's just another day in the cryptoverse. Well, this latest move changes everything though. The bulls have won the game and we're heading higher. In all likelihood, a lot higher. Bitcoin adoption is through the roof, and Dogecoin, well, what can we say? And Sergey Nazarov, the founder of Chainlink, claims that hybrid smart contracts are going to revolutionize the blockchain ecosystem. Stick around as we prepare for takeoff on this week's Exodus Crypto News. Welcome everyone, I'm Kris Merkel, and if you're new to the channel, well, I'll save you the formalities because you know what to do. In last week's news roundup, we talked about the Bollinger Band indicator. To recap, the Bollinger Band is a technical indicator that predicts big market moves. The bands are pretty accurate, but what they don't tell us is which way the price will go. It could be up, or it could be down. Well, unless you've been deep ocean cave exploring for the last week, it turns out that we're headed up. Bitcoin has made a new all-time high, just below, get this, $65,000. And Ethereum was trading above 2,500 for the first time in history. The Ethereum price breakout is especially impressive since ETH is outperforming BTC right now. So what's driving this move? Well, the simple answer is fundamentals. Ethereum EIP 1559 is coming soon, and it's going to dramatically reduce the issuance of Ethereum as well as help the price for making transactions. Depending on how it works out, ETH may even become a deflationary currency as more ETH are destroyed every day than created. Looking around the crypto markets, the other big standout is Dogecoin, which is up an astronomical 393% since we met last. Chainlink is also going for a home run, with Link trading above $40 and making some tentative moves towards 50. Hold on to your hats everyone, as bullish as all this is, we're only just getting started. Now on the topic of bullishness, Bloomberg has come out with a $400,000 price target for Bitcoin. The media outlet says that they're expecting a big price spike at the end of the year, similar to what happened with BTC in December of 2017. Crypto influencers make crazy bullish calls all the time, but to see a legacy company set such a high price target is pretty cool. A $400,000 prediction could get more people interested in Bitcoin, especially traditional investors who might not yet have any exposure to crypto. In a surprise move, especially with all the negative press, XRP has been on a mad dash lately, having gone up 220% in the last 2 weeks. And finally, in our bullish roundup, Bitcoin is officially bigger than the British pound. With a market cap of 1.2 trillion, a decentralized cryptocurrency is now more valuable than the oldest fiat currency in the world. It's probably just tulip mania though, right? In news closer to home, Exodus shatters regulated crypto public offering records. To date, Exodus has received investment commitments of approximately $59 million from over 4,000 investors. The investment commitments have come from both accredited and non-accredited investors, and approximately 92% of investment commitments received have come from non-accredited investors. Approximately 60 million of the offering remains available for additional subscriptions, subject to adjustment. For more information and to see the current progress of the Exodus public offering, visit the investor website here. This one is for the future Marines. A new white paper from Chainlink lays out the startup's plans for creating hybrid smart contracts. A hybrid smart contract combines the capabilities of a platform like Ethereum along with off-chain data storage and computation. So one of the downsides of blockchains is that they're incredibly inefficient at storing and analyzing data. You could buy a solid gold USB stick for the same amount of money it costs to write a file to Ethereum. Horrendous data storage is a downside, but the upside of a blockchain is that transactions and accounts are immutable. Files on a database can be modified or even deleted, whereas everything that happens on a blockchain stays on a blockchain. Hybrid smart contracts are all about combining the strengths of both types of networks to create something that's 10 times better than what we have now. If there's one team to pull this off, it's Chainlink, since their decentralized Oracle service plays a huge role in bridging blockchain and non-blockchain networks. We look forward to seeing what kinds of cool things are possible with the hybrid smart contracts, especially as they relate to DeFi. So we don't want to stoke the fire too hot, but historical Bitcoin trends suggest that this bull market still has a ways to go. And in the short term, we've broken to the upside, and it looks like we'll probably keep going up throughout April. In the long term, this bull market might not top out until December. How high will we go? Well, leave us your prediction in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, everybody, and make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. And until next time, hold on.